Ram Ram Bhayo. Today we are going to unbox the zebronics zeb-juke bar 9750. So let's go and unbox the zebronics juke bar 9750. First we cut the all seal of the packaging and then open the box. Let's do it quickly. Let's unbox it again and open the soundbar channels and main unit of the soundbar and the woofer. So friend, this is our zebronics juke bar 9750, sorry, 9750 5.1 channel soundbar, Dolby Atmos surround system. Sorry for some delay friends, wait a minute. So here is our 5.1 surround channel with Dolby Atmos soundbar. Let's unwrap it and place. So here is our soundbar with three front firing speakers and two upward firing speakers which reflect with your cell which reflect with your ceiling wall and to give the feeling of surround effect.
एकरा निकाल दी निकाल दी यो विजिट करो सारा यो स्पीकर है लगे एक्सट्रीम लेवल के ले लिया देखे में लगे वाईफाई मतलब वायरलेस लगा छी.
This is the two satellite speaker of this soundbar, which gives you a feel like home theater. Feels exactly like theater. Now let's set up the soundbar and test it. Connect the wire of the woofer in the soundbar, which is given the opposite side of the soundbar. Satellite speaker should be placed rear side of your ear, where you feel the actual surround effect of the movie or the given media. Thank you. So this is the quick review or unboxing video of zebronics Juke bar 9750.